ये भी सवाल है।
स्टार्ट।
I think the latest launch of the flagship Instax of Instax, which will provide the best possible experience to the customers. I guess for me also instant photography is about expressing myself, and at times I take pictures of the most important moments of my life and paste them in my photo wall to remind me of my journey. So I guess that is something which happens with this, and I'm so excited for this. So yeah.
Fantastic, you're right. So the next question is from Pratmesh from Bombay Times, and he wants to ask you. Alright, so I'm just putting his question to you. In today's digital age, what do you think makes instant cameras like Instax a must-have for the youth?
Sorry, once again.
In today's digital age, what do you think makes instant cameras like Instax a must-have for the youth?
I think it's a super product. I mean, superior product with a USP associated with the nostalgia of printing pictures. I think हम सबको फोटोज का एक हमेशा एक वो नॉस्टैल्जिया आता है जब हमारे हाथ में वो फोटोज होती हैं. And you know, I think Instax has that quality and it relates. मतलब मैं बहुत relate कर पाता हूँ उस चीज से. Sorry sir, I'm speaking in Hindi, but okay. You understand Hindi? थोड़ा थोड़ा. So I'll try my best. My English is not so good. Okay. So it's all about nostalgia, and I think it's a relatability factor when it comes to photographs in your hands, and I feel in today's digital age, when you have a camera which can provide you with such tremendous quality of photos, and it's like there are features where I can just take photographs from my phone also, or my memory. I can just transfer it to Instax camera, this camera, and they can print it out. So what better than this? I mean, sometimes you always feel like having those photographs in your hands, or maybe wall पे कभी घर पे अपने चिपका के रखना your fond memories. And I think this provides that. So I think, yeah, I love this about it, and I think the youth will really connect to it, and that's why it's a must-have for the youth.
You know, you being a youth sensation, this actually adds as a statement to all the youth, isn't it? Alright, so moving on to the next question. So the next question is for Mr. Arun Babu. So this question is...
Anybody who will go for this product, it has so many features in it that he will take a year to explore those features also. As I said, that you can click 100,000 and more expressions. That means you can...
I think these Instax, I mean, Fujifilm, for example, has a huge recall when it comes to our generation. I'm sure all of us would have used their film rolls. So the discussion with Instax, I mean, team that was revolving around printed films was very nostalgic again for me, and basic brief to connect with the young generation so that they are able to relish or cherish their tangible memories. I think that is something which I also connected to. So I think this association, I'm really happy and excited to be a part of this family of the Instax Fujifilm family, because again, बचपन से मैं भी मतलब Fujifilm के रोल और ये सब इनसे फोटो खींचना या देखना, you have those memories are वो एकदम प्रिंट हो जाता है ना, तो वो memories की वैल्यू एक अलग होती है. So I think आजकल फोन के ज़माने में हम लोग बार-बार इतनी सारी फोटोज खींचते हैं, उसमें से पता भी नहीं चलता कि वो फोटोज कब तक बस सेव रह जाती हैं, लेकिन कुछ यूजेज नहीं होता उन फोटोज का. But with this, I think we always associate our best memories, and I guess that is what I love about Fujifilm. That is what I love about Instax. So yeah, so that's what.
So we as a family at Instax are also so glad and happy and excited to have you with us, isn't it? Isn't it so? Alright, so the final question coming to you from Sandesh from Filmi Mantra. If you had to describe...
Short a masterpiece. And that's the tagline.
Thank you so much. Thank you for being here and answering all the questions that we had. Thank you so much. And that's all for now, ladies and gentlemen. Let us all put our hands together and make a cheer.